Now we're going to show you how to use your Kiwi sat dish and turn your TV on. So this is an automatic satellite dish. So when you turn on the 12 volt on your control panel, we come back to the Kiwi sat control panel, you see all the lights flash up there. So that means the dish is now engaged. One light will continue to flash, as you can see, and that's basically the dish going up. So the key thing is here being patient and waiting until that flashing stops. So when that becomes a solid green light, no longer flashing, then you can come down to your TV, Kiwi Telesat, locate your remote. You'll see there's a red light there, so that means we've got power. So we turn it on and that should turn green. So your TV will come with built-in Freeview. Some of the models have a DVD player on the side. They've got USB and HDMI ports, so everything you need for your TV. So you'll see it says no signal. That's because we're still fine-tuning up at the Kiwi sat. So this will take a good minute or so. So it's just important to be nice and patient. There we go. It's flashing quite fast now, so it's doing its final fine-tuning.
Need to prioritise cancer care.
If we delay,
we come back to the TV.
Diagnosis and treatment only by a few additional months.
Here we go. We'll put the picture, but you'll see it's chopping in and out because it's still fine-tuning. So, like I say, patience is the key here. Don't go pushing any buttons. Just wait.
The Pacific community have been
okay. Solid green light. So now we can see we've got a good picture on our TV. So to put the dish down, we've got two ways we can do this. You can hold down this button for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, till the light starts flashing. And now that we're manually putting the dish down. If you forget to do this, when you start the engine, the dish will automatically come down as well.